Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to fix this issue. We are going to display this into one line. So how we can do this? So let's search this align button in one line CSS and go here on this Stack Overflow link and copy the instruction from there. So it's we need to assign this at the top. So let's go here and there. So I need to add this in the style. So I already added this, so I need to assign this inner and outer ID. So I assign this as ID. So our this TD is our outer. I need to assign this as an ID. So this one is outer and these ones are the inner. So let me assign an ID of inner. Copy this stuff and paste this into all of the one. So this one, and I need to also paste this in the form. Save this one and go back and give it a refresh and check that is it exactly working for us or not. So you can, and yes, now it is displaying us into one line. So let me make this a single icon. So not this button. So I'm going to remove this button property and I'm just going to add a style background color. Background color red. So make this red, give it a refresh. So now it will display us only icon with the background of red. So give it a refresh and yes, now it's displaying us exactly, but we don't want this color. So let me remove this color. And then what's next? So we need to assign it a color here, like this style color red. So it will assign us a red trash icon. So I'm very tired. I'm shooting this full series, these two series in a one day, and yes, now it's looking like this. Why? Because we added this button here. So let me copy this and save this into input field. So I'm going to add this input and make this type submit, and I'm going to assign it a value, and here in the value I'm going to add this, but it's not going to work. So let's revert it back and we are going to just display as button, and that's it. We are going to make this for demonstration purposes. So you hope you understand that how we can align them into one line. So rate this comment and I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.